So we're on Skyline Drive over near Spanish Fork, and we came up a little side trail called Garrett Ridge, and it is beautiful.
It's so gorgeous here everywhere you look. It's insane.
Vastly different than Grand Mesa last week. 0 mosquitoes, I'm happy to report.
Grand Mesa was beautiful, but the mosquitoes really did make it hard. There's not a single bug right now. Good morning.
Good morning. So I was about to launch my drone, and I checked the Before You Fly app, and it said that we were in a restricted area because there's fires happening, or was happening, and there's no fires now that I can see. It's a beautiful day, so I thought maybe we could get away with it. So I called down to BLM and talked to the lady in charge of the airspace for the La Sal Mountains. And I was like, hey, my girlfriend and I, we've run this YouTube channel. We would like to fly our drones for the next like half an hour to an hour to get some footage. And she said no. At the end of every trip, this is the ritual.